Making acorns into edible flour. I started off by drying my acorns out in the sun for a few days. It's going to make the nut shrink inside of the shell a little bit. Here's an example of an acorn that's infested with the acorn weevil bug. Now he's a harmless little fella. Now as I stated in my last video, you have to leach the tannins out of the acorns to make them palatable for humans. There are a few different methods you can use when leaching tannins out of acorns. When hot leaching, you are boiling the tannins out of the nut and replacing the water until it runs clear. When doing this, you are also cooking the starches that are in the acorn. Now this is fine for grits, stews, or a coffee substitute. Because the acorn has no natural gluten, it binds itself together as a flour with its starches. So if you intend to use this for baking, you have to cold leach. This process is simple, it just takes a lot longer. You're going to put your acorn meal and your water into a container. You can put this slurry into your refrigerator to keep it from spoiling. Now as the acorns settle to the bottom of the container, you're going to be left with a tannic-rich liquid on top. 2 to 3 times a day you're going to pour the liquid off. You'll repeat this process until your water starts to become clear and isn't bitter anymore.